Hey there guys, my name is Rob. Thank you for tuning in to the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we have a video on PopSockets. So on the original PopSocket video that I had posted, which now has over 100,000 views, thank you so much by the way, but on that video I got a lot of questions and comments regarding how to remove the PopSocket after you apply it. Now people were asking this for a multitude of reasons. Mainly because they either put it in the wrong spot that they didn't like, it wasn't good, like it wasn't ergonomic grip, or they just want to take it off because they don't want to use it anymore. Some people don't like PopSockets, they try them out and they don't like them anymore. But anyways, we're going to show you guys just how to do that. It's very simple, very easy, just a few steps. So we have 3 phones here with PopSockets on them, but we're only going to do one for the sake of the video, just for time purposes, so we don't keep the video too long. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this nice white marble PopSocket here. And if you have long nails, you could go ahead and just do this with your nails. But since I don't, and if you don't, you could always just use a little flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna show you just how to do that. So let me go ahead and turn this autofocus all the way up so we can get a nice up close shot. Okay. So if you're gonna use your nails, all you're gonna do is just dig your nail underneath the base of this, underneath the adhesive, and you're gonna kind of peel it up. You don't want to try to force it off all at once, like straight off. You want to kind of peel it. That's going to help the adhesive come off more easy. As when you try to just brute force it like this, that's when the adhesive is the strongest because it has the most surface area holding onto the case. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver from my eyeglass kit here. And all we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and slide this underneath the adhesive and kind of pry it up. See how that came up like that? And then you're just going to pry it up just like that. See how easy that came up? The PopSocket gives such a strong hold, but when you breach the weakest point and then you pry it up like so, you can breach the barrier of that adhesive. So now you have your PopSocket here, nice and undamaged. You have your case. Oops, sorry, nice and undamaged. The phone might not be undamaged anymore now that I just dropped it, but it's all good. That's why we have the life proof on there. But anyways, guys, you have just successfully removed the PopSocket off of your phone without damaging it, without damaging the case. And as you can see a little bit of a dirt ring around here, but you can just clean it off some alcohol. But if you just want to, reposition it, say I want to move it closer to the Apple logo, more up there. It used to be down here. There you go. Just press it in and you're good to go, guys. You got your PopSocket repositioned, good to go. I hope this helped you guys out. So I will be doing another video on how to make PopSockets sticky again. For example, sometimes after you remove and replace them a lot, they will not stick to it anymore. So I'm going to show you guys how to renew that same adhesive, because you don't always have to go out and buy a new one. Sometimes you can fix the old adhesive on there just by doing a few simple steps in washing and cleaning the adhesive, and then you can renew its stickiness. That is awesome, guys. I will go ahead and leave a end screen right here for those videos when they are uploaded. Other than that, please click either the brain logo on screen or the red subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. It helps my channel out so much, guys. You guys don't know how much I appreciate that. I love you guys. Until next time, I'm out.